Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to forward voice message on Instagram in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, and click on messenger option. Okay, then choose any person. Okay, this message forward voice message, just tap and click on forward option. Okay, then scroll and choose any person, then click to send. That's all. To forward voice message on Instagram in iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.